Hello, I'm Jijia. I go to Seven Lakes High School. This is my Milestone 2 project, which basically is a demonstration of what's happening in the code and also what's happening in this whole project. So what I have here is an RFID module, which correspond with the two forms of authentication, which is keycard 1 and 2. Those are both RFID cards, which when scanned through this RFID reader module, will tell what the board to do. So you see you have three status lights right here. This is status 1 and 2. This will light up when the correct keycard 1 is scanned, and this will light up when keycard 2 is scanned. So here's the demo. There's keycard 1. When I scan keycard 2, this buzzer will play a correct chime, and this will light up. Both will light up. The motor will spin 90 degrees. The motor will spin 90 degrees to the unlocked position. And this will turn back shortly to go back to the locked position. So what I have in my in the code is yeah. So this whole section is to initialize to basically store whatever these two key cards had the data on them, and then this passed down to all of the functions of each individual components. And down here, it's basically the whole authentication processes. Some of the challenges that I have along the way is actually, first of all, to get the power through the board to be able to diverge the power to all of the individual components. Second of all, is actually getting the board to talk to all of the components and actually getting a response from them back. The biggest of the second challenge is like getting the board to talk to the RFID module. Then when it authenticated and the correct key card converts that info back to the board. That was one of the biggest challenges when I was coding for the process. The actual second biggest, the third actually, the biggest challenge is when it's to detect when an incorrect form of authentication is inputted. But right now, I don't have the demonstration for like the incorrect of authentication, but it's just how to the board has to like to think whenever like if it's the correct form of authentication. That was my biggest challenge of all. For my next project, I'm gonna be implementing this into an actual box. So this will be whatever this will latch onto the actual latch on the box, so it will act as a working mechanism. This will be just on the side of the box to access a card reader. This will just stick out to some 3 holes as a status light.